Hello everyone, my name is Ayush Bakshi. Welcome to my channel Learn Coding. So today I am going to discuss another C program that is little bit difficult from my previous question that I solved, but okay, I will explain it to you very easily. So today our question is find the sum of all digits until it's lesser than 10. So let's start. So at first we declare our variable under the main function, that is int n comma sum, and then we take input from the user and write the enter the number message using printf function. So enter the numbers, and then we take input from the user using scanf function, percentile d ampersand n, sorry, ampersand n. So I can solve this question using do while loop, but you can use any loop like while loop, for loop. You can do it anything by but I choose here do while loop. So at first we open the do body or scope, and here initialize sum is equal to 0, that I declared here, and after that I open a inner while loop and give here a condition, that is n greater than 0, and open the inner while loop body and write here a condition, that is sum is equal to sum plus n modulo 10, and here write n is equal to n divisional operator and 10. After I exiting the inner while loop and write here n is equal to sum, and so everyone is know that do while loop is a exit control loop, and in do while loop we can check our conditional expression at the ends of the loop body. So I write the ends of the loop while and give here is a condition, that is n greater than is equal to 10, and finally I print the final sum of all digits. So final sum of all digits, percentile d new line slash n and n. So what is our question? Our question is sum of all digits is a single digit or that is lesser than 10, because single digit ends in 9, so that is it's lesser than 10. So I take a input, that is 1 2 3. It means 1 plus 2 plus 3, the output is 6. So let's run it. 1 2 3, and see our output is 6. So how it actually works, let's explain. At first we declare here the do while loop, and in the do loop we declare the sum is equal to 0. So what is the sum is equal to 0? At the beginning of each iteration we can and reset the sum is equal to 0. After that you can see here I declare while n a start a inner while loop, that is, and give here a condition, that is n greater than 0. So this condition is basically extract the each digit from the our input, and then in the inner while loop we declare a condition, that is sum is equal to sum plus n modulo 10. This basically adds our last digits of input to the sum, and then we declare a condition, that is n is equal to n divisional operator 10. It is basically remove the large digits from the our input, and after exiting this inner while loop we can declare n is equal to sum. So what it's do, it's basically do is that it's our input updated to the sum, and it contains the total of all digits, and here we declare while n greater than is equal to 10. That is the condition after the ends of the loop body. It's basically continuous running until its our number or input is single digit or lesser than 10, and finally we print our resulting single digit sum here using printf function. So that is the code, guys, and I explained the code is very uh, well, I think, very well, and thank you.